Good morning, children. Today is World Human Rights Day. Let's find out something more about this day. Human Rights Day is celebrated annually across the world on 10th December. Now, the question may arise, why was this day celebrated? The day was celebrated to honor the United Nations General Assembly's adoption and proclamation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR, the first global enunciation of human rights, and it was done on 10th December 1948. It is one of the first declarations after the atrocities which were committed in the World War II. Also, in 1950, the General Assembly passed the Resolution 423V, in which it invited all the nations and organizations of the world to adopt this day as World Human Rights Day. It was first articulated in 1941 by the then President Franklin D. Roosevelt in his famous Four Freedoms speech given to the US Congress. In this speech, the President said that the four important freedoms for a person are freedom of worship, freedom of speech, freedom from fear, and freedom from want. All these four freedoms are the main highlights of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This year's Human Rights Day theme is Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights. It relates to the COVID-19 pandemic and focuses on the need to build back better by ensuring human rights are central to recovery efforts. We will reach our common global goals only if we are able to create equal opportunities for all, address the failures exposed and exploited by COVID-19. The COVID-19 crisis has been fueled by deepening poverty, rising inequalities, structural and entrenched discrimination, and other gaps in human rights protection. Only measures to close these gaps and advance human rights can ensure they will fully recover and build back a world that is better, more resilient, and sustainable. The day is celebrated by organizing the political conferences, meetings, exhibitions, cultural events, debates, and many more programs to discuss all the issues of human rights. Most of the events held on this day are aimed to instruct people, children, as well as teenagers about their human rights. Some of the protest activities are also held in order to aware the people from areas where the human rights are unrecognized or disrespected. Thank you.